Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at rational equations. If you've completed the previous quadratics videos, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So example 1, solve. X over 3 plus 2 over x equals 5 over 3. We notice that x can't be 0. So what we're going to do is get rid of these denominators here. So we're going to go times 3x to both sides. We distribute here 3x times x over 3, 3x times 2 over x like that, and then 3x times 5 over 3. These 3's cancel. What's left is 5x like that. 3 over 3, what's left is x squared. X over x, what's left is 6, and then 5x like that. Put it all on one side, so x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. We want to solve this. So first we're going to do is factor it. Product of 6, sum of negative 5. Those two numbers are negative 2 and negative 3. So we rewrite this quadratic as x minus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. Now the question is, what do you plug in to get 0? So 2 and 3 are the solutions. And so these are the solutions to the rational equation. Okay, B. X over 2 minus 1 over x equals negative 1 over 2. We notice x can't be 0 as a solution. So here we're going to go times 2x to both sides like that. 2x times x over 2, 2x times negative 1 over x, 2x times negative 1 over 2. 2's cancels out. What's left is negative x like that. Here what's left is x squared. Here what's left is negative 2. Put it all on one side. X squared plus x minus 2. We're going to factor it. Product negative 2, sum of 1. Those two numbers are 2 and negative 1. Plug that in. X plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. And so the solutions are, what do you plug in to get 0? So negative 2 and 1. Okay, C. X over 3 minus x equals 1 plus 3 over 3 minus x like that. We notice x cannot be 3. So we're going to go times 3 minus x to both sides like that. Here 3 minus x cancels out. What's left is x. Here 3 minus x times 1. 3 minus x times 3 over 3 minus x like that. These cancel. So what's left here is 3 minus x plus 3 equals x. Put the x onto the other side. So 2x equals 6. Divide by 2 to both sides. X equals 3. But x cannot be equal to 3. Therefore, there is no solution to this rational equation. Okay, D. Here's our rational equation like this. We're going to factor this here. So this is x squared plus 8x plus 12. Product of 12, sum of 8. Those two numbers are 2 and 6. So this can be written as x plus 2 times x plus 6 like that. We want to get rid of the denominators, so we're going to go times x plus 2, x plus 6 to both sides like that. These cancel out. What's left is 2x. This distributes like this. So here we have x plus 2 times x plus 6 times 1 over x plus 2. And we multiply it to here, so it's negative x plus 2, x plus 6 like that over x plus 6 as such. X plus 2's cancel out here. X plus 6 cancels out there. Distribute the negative 1, so negative x minus 2. X minus x goes away. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 2x equals 4, or x equals 2. And so our solution is x equals 2. Okay, time for some practice. A, B, C, and D. Go ahead and solve those rational equations. Okay, we're back. A, we're going to get rid of the denominators by going times 4x to both sides. Distribute the 4x as such. What's left here is x squared. What's left here is negative 8. And what's left here is negative 2x like that. Put it all on one side. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. This can be factored out. Product negative 8, sum of 2, which gives 4 and negative 2 as the two numbers. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 2 equals 0. What do you plug in to get 0? Negative 4 and 2. And so these are the solutions to our equation. Okay, B. We're going to go times 3x to both sides. This reduces to x squared. This reduces to 6. This reduces to negative 5x. Put it all on one side. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Product of 6, sum of 5. Those two numbers are 2 and 3. So we rewrite that. X plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. What do you plug in to get 0? So the solutions are x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 3. Okay, C. We're going to go times 2 minus x to both sides. Notice that a solution cannot be 2 because you plug in, you would get 0 on the denominator. So this cancels out. What's left is x. 2 minus x remains like that. 2 minus x times here. These cancel out. What's left is 2. X is on one side, numbers on the other side. So 2x equals 4, x equals 2. But we cannot have x equals 2 as a solution. Therefore, there is no solution to this rational equation. Okay, D. Here we're going to go times x plus 3 times x plus 12 to both sides like that. Distribute it like this. These cancel x plus 12. This cancels x plus 3. There's a negative that remains. These cancel. What's left is 3x. We're going to distribute the negative, so negative x minus 3. These cancel out. What's left is 12 minus 3, 9 equals 3x. Divide by 3 to both sides, and we have x equals 3 as our solution. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.